To send a real-time payment in internet banking, hover over Move Money in the top navigational banner and then click Transfer. You'll then be taken to the Transfer page. In the top drop-down menu, select the account you'd like to transfer your money from. Then in the Transfer To drop-down, select the payee you'd like to send the money to, and the PayID will be automatically validated. You'll then be prompted to enter your transfer details. If under Transfer Type you see the text "Funds are available to payee immediately," this confirms it will be a real-time payment. Simply enter the amount, when you'd like to send it, plus the reference you'd like to appear on your statement. You can also enter a message to the recipient, which can be up to 280 characters in length. Once you've filled out your transfer details, click Next. Review the transfer details, and then if everything is correct, select OK. And that's it. Whether it's paying your friend or the electrician, the money will hit their account in minutes.